going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Nissan Murano. I'm going to pull out the cabin air filter today and check it, see if I need to order one. Show you how to go ahead and do that. So we go right here on the passenger side. See this panel that we have here? We're going to need to remove it. All you got to do is stick your hand underneath it, pull it, and it should just unclip. It's just a bunch of clips, okay? It's made to come off. Pull it off, get it out of your way. Alright. So we're gonna go way down under here. Alright, and the Murano cabin air filter lives in the most horrible place ever, and that's right up in here, okay? To take the door off, there's a button here, okay, that we're gonna push, and it will come right off like this. Now this thing is terrible to put back. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it back on camera, but you know where it goes, all right? So then you're gonna reach back in here, and you can feel the filter. It's right here. The bottom of it's right here, and you're gonna have to just fight it out the best you can. Let's see if I can get my hand in here differently. Let me get this thing out. These things are so bad. This one's stuck in here really good. Alright, so I'm just pushing on it, trying to get it in position. You can feel the end of it. And then there's the end of it there. And I'm gonna pull it out as much as we can. And just work it out. Alright, so it's not very fun. Just keep pulling and pulling, and you will get it out. This one's pretty dirty, and I actually don't have a new one. Dirt's on this side right here. It ain't too bad. There's a little bit down in here. I don't have a new one. I'm going to order it and replace it later on. If you need one, go check in the description box. There's a part number for the new filter, and there'll be a link too that takes you to Amazon where you can buy one. But that's as far as I'm going with this video, because it's almost impossible to record me putting this back. I'm not even going to put it back. I'm just going to order the filter and wait on it to come. So hope the video helped you out, and if it did, appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.